When the world goes silent, when systems fail, your EDC is the only answer. Today, we're diving into 7 futuristic EDC gadgets. From high-voltage tactical pens to powerful scan lights, from GPS smartwatches to multi-tools that do more than just survive. This isn't just gear. This is your backup plan when everything else fails. So hit that subscribe button and check all the links in the description below. Let's get started. Imagine pulling out a flashlight that doesn't look like one because it's smarter than most. The Olight Arcfeld Ultra is flat, sleek, and mission-ready. With 1400 lumens of white LED for clarity, UV for inspection, and a green beam for tactical precision, it's a triple-source powerhouse disguised as minimalist gear. USB rechargeable and pocket-sized, it's built for creators, inspectors, and survivalists who demand light that adapts, reveals, and commands. In a world where threats hide in plain sight, your defense should too. The Streetwise Pain Pen conceals 25 million volts of stopping power inside a sleek, tactical silhouette. USB rechargeable, equipped with a battery indicator and a durable clip. It's built for those who value stealth, speed, and control. Whether clipped to your pocket or tucked in your bag, this stun pen stays silent until it strikes. Write nothing, say everything. Defend without warning. The CRKT snap lock isn't just a knife, it's a kinetic sculpture. With an innovative snap lock mechanism, skeletonized handle, and satin-finished blade, it opens with mechanical grace and locks with confidence. Lightweight, compact, and equipped with a quick-release lanyard, this gentleman's EDC tool is built for those who value control over chaos. Minimalist, tactical, engineered to impress. Imagine being miles off-grid. No signal, no backup, no second chances. All you have is what's on your wrist. The Garmin Instinct 3 isn't just a smartwatch, it's a tactical command center. With a vivid AMOLED display, metal-reinforced bezel, built-in flashlight, and GPS precision, it's engineered to survive where others fail. Up to 18 days of battery life means it doesn't just keep up, it leads. Track, navigate, outlast. Imagine your phone's dying in the middle of nowhere, and your backup feels like part of the phone. The Anker Nano power bank is ultra slim, magnetic, and Qi 2 certified for 15-watt max fast charging. When every ounce counts, your gear better do more than one job. The 8-in-1 Carabiner Multitool is a compact powerhouse built for the unexpected. With a pocket knife, serrated edge, rope cutter, screwdriver, bottle and can opener, ruler, and more. It's your portable toolbox disguised as a carabiner. Lightweight, tactical, and ready to clip onto any pack. It's the kind of gear that earns its place in your everyday carry. Clip it, flip it. Survive with style. When space is limited and time is critical, your tool should do more than one job. The 9-in-1 Pocket Multitool Wrench is a compact survival companion disguised as a keychain. With an adjustable wrench, mini pry bar, nail puller, caliper, measuring ruler, glass breaker, and more. It's built for cyclists, hikers, and everyday tacticians who need versatility without bulk. Whether you're fixing, prying, measuring, or escaping,